Welcome to our deep dive into the world of nature's most feared natural disasters. In this video, we will explore a range of catastrophic events that have shaped our planet and impacted human lives throughout history. From the roaring fury of hurricanes and the devastating power of earthquakes to the relentless force of wildfires and the chilling aftermath of tsunamis, each disaster tells a story of nature's might and unpredictability. Understanding these natural phenomena is crucial not just for scientists and researchers, but for all of us. By grasping the causes and effects of these disasters, we can better prepare ourselves and our communities for the challenges they present. The impact of these events can be catastrophic, leading to loss of life, destruction of property, and long-term economic consequences. Join us as we uncover the science behind these disasters, share real-life stories of survival and resilience, and discuss the measures we can take to mitigate their effects. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the forces of nature and the importance of preparedness in the face of uncertainty. Earthquakes are among nature's most feared disasters, caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. This release occurs primarily due to tectonic plate movements, where plates either collide, pull apart, or slide past each other. As stress builds up along fault lines, it can eventually lead to a violent shake, sending shockwaves through the ground. Throughout history, notable earthquakes have left indelible marks on communities. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake, for instance, resulted in widespread destruction and loss of life, while the 2010 Haiti earthquake devastated the nation, leading to a humanitarian crisis. These events remind us of the immense power of seismic activity and its potential to disrupt lives and infrastructure. To mitigate the risks associated with earthquakes, it's essential to adopt safety measures and preparedness strategies. Residents in earthquake-prone areas should secure heavy furniture, create emergency kits, and develop family communication plans. Additionally, knowing how to drop, cover, and hold on during an earthquake can significantly increase your chances of staying safe. By understanding the causes and effects of earthquakes, we can better prepare ourselves for the shaking terror that lies beneath our feet. Hurricanes are one of nature's most powerful forces, forming over warm ocean waters when specific atmospheric conditions align. These massive storms begin as tropical disturbances, evolving into tropical storms, and eventually hurricanes as wind speeds exceed 74 miles per hour. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale classifies hurricanes into 5 categories, with Category 1 being the least severe and Category 5 representing catastrophic damage. Throughout history, hurricanes like Katrina in 2005 and Maria in 2017 have left devastating impacts on communities. Hurricane Katrina caused widespread flooding in New Orleans, displacing thousands and leading to significant loss of life. Similarly, Hurricane Maria ravaged Puerto Rico, resulting in a humanitarian crisis that lasted for years. These stories highlight the destructive power of hurricanes and the long-term effects they can have on affected regions. To prepare for hurricane season, it's crucial to have a plan in place. This includes creating an emergency kit with essential supplies, establishing a family communication plan, and knowing your evacuation routes. Staying informed through weather updates and local authorities can also make a significant difference. By understanding how hurricanes form and preparing accordingly, we can better protect ourselves and our communities from nature's fury. Tsunamis are colossal waves often triggered by underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. When an earthquake occurs beneath the ocean floor, it displaces a massive volume of water, creating waves that can travel across entire ocean basins at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour. As these waves approach shallow coastal waters, they slow down and increase in height, leading to the devastating surges that can inundate coastal communities. Historically, tsunamis have wreaked havoc on populations living near the coast. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, for example, resulted from a massive undersea earthquake and claimed over 230,000 lives across multiple countries. Similarly, the 2011 Tohoku tsunami in Japan caused widespread destruction, leading to a nuclear disaster at the Fukushima Daiichi plant. These events underscore the catastrophic effects tsunamis can have on human life and infrastructure. To mitigate the risks associated with tsunamis, the implementation of warning systems is crucial. These systems use seismic data to detect underwater earthquakes and issue alerts to coastal areas. Additionally, communities should have safety protocols in place, including evacuation routes and public education on recognizing tsunami signs. By understanding the science behind tsunamis and preparing accordingly, we can enhance our resilience against these giant waves. Volcanoes are among the most powerful forces of nature, capable of unleashing devastating eruptions that reshape landscapes and impact the environment. There are several types of volcanoes, including shield, stratovolcano, and cinder cone, each characterized by distinct eruption styles. Shield volcanoes like Mauna Loa in Hawaii produce gentle lava flows, while stratovolcanoes such as Mount St. Helens can erupt explosively, sending ash and pyroclastic flows into the atmosphere. Famous volcanic eruptions have left lasting marks on history and the environment. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, preserving them under layers of ash. More recently, the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens dramatically altered the surrounding landscape and had significant ecological consequences. To protect nearby populations, volcanic monitoring is essential. Scientists use seismographs, gas emissions, and satellite imagery to track volcanic activity and predict eruptions. Communities in volcanic regions should have safety measures in place, including evacuation plans and public education on recognizing warning signs. By understanding the power of volcanic eruptions and implementing effective monitoring and safety protocols, we can better prepare for the potential impacts of these fiery mountains. Floods are among the most common and destructive natural disasters, often resulting from a combination of heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, or storm surges. There are several types of floods, including flash floods, river floods, and coastal floods, each triggered by different factors. Flash floods can occur suddenly, often within minutes of intense rainfall, while river floods develop more gradually as rivers overflow their banks due to prolonged rain or melting snow. The impact of floods on communities can be devastating. Homes and businesses can be submerged, leading to significant property damage and displacement of residents. Infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and utilities can also be severely affected, disrupting essential services and hindering recovery efforts. The aftermath of a flood can result in long-term economic challenges and health risks due to contaminated water and mold growth. To prepare for floods, communities should develop emergency plans that include evacuation routes and communication strategies. Creating an emergency kit with essential supplies is also crucial. After a flood, recovery strategies should focus on assessing damage, securing safe drinking water, and providing support for displaced individuals. By understanding the causes and effects of floods, we can better equip ourselves to face this rising threat. Wildfires are increasingly becoming a common and devastating phenomenon in natural landscapes, fueled by a combination of factors including dry conditions, high temperatures, and strong winds. Climate change plays a significant role in exacerbating these conditions, leading to longer fire seasons and more intense outbreaks. Human activities such as campfires, discarded cigarettes, and arson also contribute to the ignition of wildfires. Significant wildfires like the 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfires and the 2020 California wildfires have had catastrophic effects on ecosystems and communities. These fires not only destroy vast areas of forest and wildlife habitats, but also threaten homes and livelihoods, displacing thousands of residents and causing air quality issues that affect public health. The aftermath can take years for ecosystems to recover, highlighting the long-term consequences of these blazes. To mitigate the risks of wildfires, prevention strategies are essential. Residents in fire-prone areas should create defensible space around their homes by clearing flammable vegetation and using fire-resistant building materials. Additionally, having an emergency plan and a go-bag ready can make a significant difference in ensuring safety during a wildfire. By understanding the causes and effects of wildfires, we can better prepare and protect our communities and natural landscapes from this uncontrolled blaze. In this video, we've explored nature's most feared natural disasters, including earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, volcanoes, floods, and wildfires. Each of these disasters has unique causes and devastating effects on both the environment and human communities. The key takeaways emphasize the importance of understanding these phenomena to enhance our preparedness and resilience. By knowing the signs, having emergency plans in place, and staying informed, we can better protect ourselves and our loved ones from the impacts of these natural events. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more educational content on these critical topics. Additionally, we invite you to explore related subjects on our channel or website for further learning. Whether you're interested in disaster preparedness, environmental science, or personal safety tips, there's a wealth of information available to help you navigate the challenges posed by nature's fury. Thank you for joining us, and stay safe as you continue to learn about the world around you.